I wasn't getting any answers. So
Yeah, I wasn't
good to know.
which kind of makes me. Oh, it's because they're T and this is Z.
Yeah.
Okay. So
So did you find out
7.
what difference between the T and the Z?
So from what I understand, the T, there is, just like you said, there is no standard deviation. No.
Okay.
And so because of that, it's a different shaped bell curve.
Okay. So if you have a given standard deviation, you use a Z square, right?
Right.
So right on that. Okay. All right. Let's continue on.
So for 7, I got 38,416.
Okay. The mean area here.
8,
I
I got 1250 as the equals, mu equals 1250, the mu is less than 1250.
Okay.
okay.
Is that what you got?
Yep.
Yeah.
Smaller than that. So yeah.
9, the p-value is less than alpha, I think that is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
10, yes, it is enough that the data are bell-shaped with no bell-shape, no alpha.
Okay.
11, I put type 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
12, by reducing the probability of committing a type 1, we increase the probability of committing a type 2.
Right.
13, bell reject, null.
Okay. Hey.
14, independent sample, t-test.
Okay.
15, dependent sampling, if you select a brother, so those compared, blah, 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 blah.
Okay.
Confidence interval for the mu when sigma is unknown.
Because that's for you and.
Yeah. They didn't give us
Oh, okay.
they didn't give us a signal,
Because of
right?
what we talked about. Okay.
Which of the following is unfit? 17, I got 11.168.
And you use the formula for that one.
No, that one I did on the file. I had to
Keep
put
it
your
on the file.
phone in confidence interval. You
Okay.
go back and see if we can redo that. 18, I put confidence interval for the difference of mean using independent samples.
Okay.
You do independent now.
The choice was.
19, I got negative 423, and then 5,417.
Okay. Okay. And 20.
20, I got a Nova.
Yeah.
21, I got 7.978.
Excuse me. What did you use the ANOVA uh, on the spreadsheet on the Excel? Did you use the ANOVA to calculate this?
Yeah, I did.
Yes.
Okay. I did not do it, so
Yeah,
Okay.
because
Yeah.
they give you 3 different categories, so you have to use a Nova.
okay. So what was the answer?
For 21,
Yes.
7 point.
7.978.
Okay.
22, I got 0.002.
Okay.
Um,
Which is
23, I think there's sufficient evidence to conclude that the bone density of at least one of the groups is different.
well, I think deficient that one of the groups is different.
Right.
Yeah.
Is that what you put?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the correct hypothesis for this test? Dependent sample test for 24.
Um, what sample did you use for 24?
24, I use, so if it's a dependent samples test, I use the paired Excel file. Whatever it's called. I use paired sample t-test.
The test.
I'm not hearing a lot of feedback from you guys. Are you guys on the same page as me, or?
Yeah, so far everything's good. I just had that one that I was not getting, so
Okay.
that's good.
For 25, I got 1.685.
Okay, same.
26, I got 0.096.
Same.
And then I got there's sufficient evidence to conclude that there is
Tana, please, can you come again for 26?
26.096. What conclusion did you draw for 27?
Which conclusion?
Yeah.
Well, there is insufficient. I put there is insufficient evidence. I don't. There's so many words. There is.
The
I put the last
p-value,
one. There is insufficient evidence to conclude that there is a difference. Oh, wait, because we're using a significant level of 0.1. So
right,
then,
the
if we're
p-value is smaller.
that's yeah, that's an awfully big or significance level. So in that case, there is sufficient evidence to conclude that there is a difference in the cost of tickets purchased 14 days in advance.
There is a difference? There's not. Okay.
There is, right?
I think, let me look it up really quick on the.
Because we're going to reject the null.
We reject, and what is the null? The null was stated as that there is no difference, right?
Right.
And so there is a difference.
There is a
Good.
difference.
Okay, that sounds good to me.
The p-value is 0. Like if we round it up, it will be 0.1, and the significance level is also 0.10. So I think, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. So if they are all close to 0, I think we are going to like reject the null.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
It's not very, very confident, in my opinion, because it's 0.1, that's not that big, and we're awfully close to that. But I struggle. So, did you submit yours already, Tanner?
I haven't submitted it, did you?
Yeah, I did. We got, so question 2, we got wrong. It says that the correct answer is there's a 90% chance that the true mean heart rate is between 45 and 105.
Why?
I don't know why I always get those wrong. The way I phrase stuff, I never get those right. I don't know why.
Wait, which one did you say was the right answer?
On question 2,
Yeah.
it says that there is a 90% chance that the true mean heart rate is between 45 and 105.
Wait, so on mine it says that we are 90% confident is the right answer.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Aw, dang it, I switched it over to the other one. I got it wrong.
I switched. Okay. So yeah, we were 90% confident that. So yeah, that's the right one.
And then we missed 13.
12. 13.
You get 12?
Did I type that wrong? 13. Sorry. Yeah.
13.
So it's reject reject.
Contents. So give us a standard deviation. So.
Standard deviation is 0. In a minute, sweetheart. Random sample of 100.
Mother, we go somewhere
Just a
today.
minute, Bree. In a little bit. We'll probably go play. The mean count 1.5. Key value. I mean, I really review this stuff before I take the test. Huh.
Uh-huh.
There is a 5% level of significance. So that would be a 95% confidence interval, right?
Yeah, it would be. What are you using?
Hmm?
I think this is a Z.
Well, right now I'm using the one sample t-test, which actually needs to be a z-test. I need to just, I think that's part of my problem. I need to look up that formula. Traveling has not been good on my statistics.
Me neither. I'm kind of nervous about this test.
You know, luckily I'll be home before I take it because I have all the equations and everything like that saved in a different file at home. I don't have to look them up.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
Look, so just got the one wrong because I put the wrong answer. All right.
Okay, well.
Okay.
Good job. Good luck on the test.
Look on the test.
Okay, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks
Yeah.
for today.